Hello. Welcome back to Easy English Daily. I am Tom.
And I am Jane. Hi, everyone. How are you today?
I am very good, Jane. I am excited about our topic today.
Me too, Tom. Today, we want to help our listeners. Many people tell me, Jane, I understand English when I listen, but I cannot speak.
Yes, that is a very common problem. It is a big challenge for many students. They listen to a podcast. They understand everything. But then, a friend asks a question, and they stay silent.
Yes, they feel like their brain is frozen, like ice.
That is a great way to say it, Jane. A frozen brain. Why do you think that happens?
I think people are afraid. They are afraid of making mistakes. They want to speak perfectly.
You are right. They think, if I say a word wrong, people will laugh.
But people don't laugh. Usually people are very kind.
Exactly. So today, we want to talk about how to fix this. How can you go from listening to speaking?
I like that. Let's help our friends move their mouths and use their voices.
First, let's talk about the feeling. Jane, do you ever feel nervous when you speak a new language?
Oh yes! When I started learning Spanish, I was very nervous. I understood my teacher. But when I went to the store, I was silent. I just pointed at things.
I did the same with French. I knew the word for bread, but I was too scared to say it.
So, why is listening easier than speaking?
Well, listening is passive. You just sit and receive information. Your brain is a receiver.
That makes sense. And speaking is active. You have to build the sentence. You have to find the words. You have to move your tongue.
Yes, it is like a sport. You can watch football on TV and understand the rules. But that does not mean you can play football well.
I love that example, Tom. To play football, you must go to the field and kick the ball.
Right. To speak English, you must speak.
It sounds simple, but it is hard. So, what is the first step for our listeners?
The first step is to start small. Don't try to say a long, beautiful sentence. Just use 1 or 2 words.
Oh, can you give me an example?
Sure. If someone asks, "How was your weekend?" you do not need to say, "My weekend was very relaxing, and I went to the park with my family."
That is a long sentence.
Yes, it is too much for a beginner. Just say, "It was good," or just, "Good."
Good. That is easy. Everyone can say good.
Exactly. Start with 1 word. Then, next time, use 2 words. Very good.
Oh, I see. Very good. Then maybe, it was very good.
Yes. You are building the speaking muscle slowly.
I like that. Build the muscle. Like at the gym.
Yes. Jane, what is another tip?
My favorite tip is shadowing.
Shadowing? That means a dark shape on the ground, right?
Yes, it does. But in English learning, shadowing means you repeat what you hear immediately. Like a shadow follows you, your voice follows the speaker.
Oh, so if I say, "The weather is nice," the listener says, "The weather is nice" right after me?
Yes, exactly. You don't wait for the speaker to finish. You talk at the same time or just 1 second later.
Why does that help?
It helps your mouth get used to the sounds. You don't have to think about grammar. You just copy the sound.
That is very smart. It's like singing a song. When we sing with the radio, we don't think about grammar. We just sing.
Exactly. And it is fun. You can do it with this podcast.
Yes. Listeners, try it now. I will say a sentence and you repeat it. Ready?
I am ready.
I love learning English.
I love learning English.
Great. Now, listeners, you try. I love learning English.
I hope they said it.
I hope so too. Even if you are on the bus or walking, you can say it quietly. I love learning English.
Yes, even a whisper helps.
So, tip 1 was start small. Tip 2 was shadowing. What is tip 3?
Tip 3 is talk to yourself.
Talk to myself. People will think I am crazy.
No, it is a great secret. I talk to myself every morning in the kitchen.
What do you say?
I say, now I am making coffee. I like coffee. The water is hot.
Oh, I see. You describe your day.
Yes, I am the only person listening, so I am not nervous. No one can judge me.
That is a very safe way to practice. If you make a mistake, who cares?
Exactly. Tom, what do you do when you forget a word? This happens to me a lot.
Me too. It is very frustrating. I want to say a word, but it is gone.
Yes, it feels like my brain is empty.
When that happens, I use filler words.
Filler words? What are those?
They are small sounds or words that give you time to think. For example, or let me see.
Oh, like, I want to go to the, supermarket.
Yes, it sounds more natural. If you stay completely silent, the other person might think you didn't hear them.
That's true. But if I say, they know I am thinking.
Right. Let me think is a great phrase. It gives your brain 5 seconds to find the word.
Let me think. I will use that today.
It's very helpful. Another thing is simple synonyms.
Synonym. That is a big word, Tom.
You are right. Sorry, I mean simple words that mean the same thing.
Ah, okay. Can you give an example?
Yes. Imagine you want to say the food was delicious, but you forget the word delicious.
That is a hard word to remember.
It is. So don't stop talking. Just use a simple word. Say, the food was very good.
Oh, or I like the food.
Yes, I like the food is perfect. It is simple, but the other person understands you.
So I don't need big words to be a good speaker.
Not at all. Simple English is beautiful English. Most native speakers use simple words every day.
That makes me feel much better. I always try to find the perfect word, but good is enough.
Good is great.
Tom, let's talk about mistakes. Many students stay silent because they are afraid of grammar mistakes. Like he go instead of he goes.
Grammar is difficult. But here is a secret. If you say, he go to school, I still understand you.
You do?
Of course. I know he is the person, and go is the action. The small s at the end is not the most important part of the story.
So I should not stop speaking just because of an S?
Never. If you stop, the conversation stops. If you keep talking, the conversation continues. The goal is to share information, not to be a grammar book.
I love that. Be a person, not a book.
Exactly. Jane, do you think watching movies helps with speaking?
Yes, but only if you are active.
Active? You mean running while watching a movie?
No. I mean active listening. When a character says something short like, see you later, you should press pause.
And then repeat it.
Yes, say it exactly like the character. If they are happy, you be happy. See you later.
See you later. That is fun.
It is. It helps you learn chunks of language.
Chunks? Like pieces of chocolate?
Yes, pieces of language that always go together. How are you? See you later. Have a nice day.
Those are very useful. You don't have to think about grammar for how are you. You just know the whole piece.
Exactly. If you learn these chunks, you can speak much faster. You don't have to build the sentence word by word.
That is a great tip, Jane. I call those automatic phrases. They come out of your mouth automatically.
Tom, what about speaking with other students? Some people say, I don't want to speak with other learners because they make mistakes too.
I think that is a mistake. Speaking with other learners is very helpful.
Why?
Because you are both in the same boat. You both feel a little nervous. It is less scary than speaking to a teacher.
That's true. When I talk to another student, I feel more relaxed.
And when you are relaxed, your brain unfreezes.
The ice melts!
Yes, the ice melts. So find a study buddy, a friend who is also learning English.
Even if you just talk for 5 minutes on the phone.
Yes. Hi, how are you? I am good. What did you eat? I ate pasta. Cool. Bye.
That is a very short conversation.
But it is a real conversation. It counts. It is a win.
You are right. Every word you speak is a win.
We have many tips now. Let's review them for our friends.
Okay, number 1. Start small. Use 1 or 2 words.
Number 2. Use shadowing. Repeat after the speaker.
Number 3. Talk to yourself at home. Describe your day.
Number 4. Use filler words like and let me see to give you time.
Number 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Just keep talking.
And number 6. Learn chunks of language, like have a nice day.
That is a great list, Tom. I feel more confident already.
Me too. And listeners, remember, it is okay to be silent sometimes. But try to push yourself just a little bit.
Yes, just 1 sentence a day.
Jane, can we try a small role play to show how to use these tips?
I would love to.
Okay, I am a person at a coffee shop. You are the customer. You are a little nervous, but you will use simple words and filler words.
Okay, I am ready.
Hello, welcome to the coffee house. What can I get for you today?
Hello? Let me see. Coffee, please.
Sure, a coffee. Do you want milk or sugar?
Milk. No sugar.
Okay, 1 coffee with milk. Anything else? A cookie? A muffin?
Oh, no. No, thank you. That is all.
Great. That will be $3.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. I mean, have a nice day.
That was perfect, Jane. You used you used let me see, and you used a chunk. Have a nice day.
It was not perfect, but the waiter understood me. I got my coffee.
Exactly. That is the goal. You didn't stay silent. You got your coffee. Victory!
I love that. Coffee victory.
So, listeners, your homework for today is very simple.
Oh, I like homework when it is simple. What is it?
Today, I want you to say 3 things in English out loud.
3 things? That's easy.
It can be anything. You can say, the sky is blue. You can say, I am hungry. You can say, I love this podcast.
I like the last one.
Just say them to your cat, to your mirror, or to your friend. Just hear your own voice speaking English.
That is a great step. Your voice is beautiful in English. Don't hide it.
That is very true, Jane.
Well, I think we are at the end of our show today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening to Easy English Daily.
We hope these tips help you speak more. Don't be afraid. You can do it.
Yes, you can. We believe in you.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye.